What's the matter with you, mister? Here, now put this in the ground for me. So, believe it or not, this was all marked out with a laser. And like I said, the level of the bottom, although it'd be nice to keep it reasonably level, and I will come back after it's had a chance to settle. But it's a matter of keeping the tops in line so we don't get it overflowing in one spot. This is what's called a swale, or a drain on horizontal. Last night we had 20 mil of rain. This area right here where all the water is the main area for runoff gathers, I guess. And the whole idea of a swale is to hold water and not let it run off, to get water back into the water table instead of letting it run off. The depth of the bottom, while helps to be reasonably level, is not as important as the bank on the downhill side, as get that level and the water will top up to there. So this is the first lot of rain we've had since we put the swale in. You'll see further down towards those trees where I've deep ripped as well. Got to get the water back in the ground. Over here, and I'll just zoom in on it, is where I'd ripped earlier, where that green grass is growing. So that just shows you what'll happen if you can get a bit of water down into the soil. So have a swale of a day. Bye.